Disha. Welcome to our channel DV Craft. Friends, always stay updated with my new videos. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment below. Today we are going to make paper butterfly. So let's get started. First take craft paper and fold it into a rectangle. And again fold it into a square. Open one side with the finger like this way. And flip it and open the second end with fingers. Now a triangle is ready. Fold the triangle into a small triangle. Take a pencil and draw a curve. And cut it. And open the triangle and follow the procedure. Now fold the end properly. Now fold top part of butterfly properly. Now our butterfly is almost ready. Now fold the butterfly in two halves and press the mouth part properly. Now our butterfly is ready. Here are some more butterflies with different colors. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.